Acrylic sealants are some of the most commonly used sealants. This can be attributed to a few advantages and unique features of acrylic sealants. Firstly, it is the most economical sealant. Secondly, it is easy to use, therefore is suitable for do-it-yourself projects. Thirdly, it is low in odor. Fourthly, it is very easy to clean. And lastly, it can be painted over. Acrylic sealants bond extremely well on porous substrates such as concrete, drywall, brick, wood, plaster and fiber cement, making it ideal for indoor applications where the project is dry, stationary and with minimal dynamic stress. Examples include the sealing of gaps between cabinet and wall, door and window frames to wall and wood skirting. How do you choose the right acrylic sealant for your project? VTech acrylic sealants are specially formulated to meet the specific needs required for different applications. Our comprehensive range of acrylic sealants include VT220 Seal All Gaps, an environmentally friendly acrylic sealant that is free of any harmful chemical like APEO, formaldehyde and phthalate, nor does it release any odor, making it ideal for interior sealing applications such as door and window frames, kitchen cabinets and air conducting. VT220 complies with several international green building standards like SG BPLS. VT222 All-Purpose Gap Sealant and VT226 GP Gap Sealant are our economical version sealants. They are cost-effective and suitable for general interior sealing applications. Both sealants are low VOC compliant and VT222 meets the standard of ASTM C920. VT223 Ultraflex Gap Sealant, a highly flexible acrylic sealant with a movement capability of up to ±25%. It is permanently flexible upon curing, ideal for sealing applications that are subject to thermal expansion and contraction, such as perimeter sealing of UPVC and aluminium window frames. VT223 is also UV resistant and therefore can be used for outdoor applications when it is painted over. VT224 Rainbow Seal, an acrylic sealant available in up to 14 colors. It is packed in a transparent cartridge and dries true to wet color for ease of color matching with different substrates. Suitable for sealing on wood skirting and wooden furniture gaps. It is also suitable for sealing wooden door and window frames and timber flooring gaps. VT225 Rapid Drying Gap Sealant, a fast-drying acrylic sealant that is ready to be painted after just 10 minutes. It is specially formulated for applications in which a quick paint over is required, enabling faster completion of the job. VT228 Fire Retardant Sealant, a fire-rated acrylic sealant that is formulated for rigorous fire protection. When a fire accident occurs, the sealant acts as a heat-insulating material that prevents fire and smoke from penetrating locally for up to 4 hours, hence allowing more time for fire escape and reduced property damage. It is suitable for fire-rated linear joint applications on wall, ceiling and floor. It achieves 4 hours fire rating in BS-EN 1366-4 2006 and Australia AS 1530 Part 4. Our quality acrylic sealants range meets various international building standards. You can always be sure of finding the right solution for meeting your specific sealing requirements in VTech. VTech. Formulated for the professionals.